Model, 65-plate Peugeot Boxer 2.2 HDi 335L2H2 130, professional starts drives donor export. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 214,233. MOT, the 2nd of October 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 4 hp. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs fine, boost pipe is leaking, the gearbox is noisy in the higher gears, engine and turbo are good, it's an ideal donor or do what you like with it, still drives okay. Woozy face man facepalming check mark. Condition summary, bodywork is below average. Interior is below average. Rear load area is below average. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, sat-nav, air con,